That's right. He's
We CJHS staff, yep, we CJHS staff. CJHS staff. I told him I was going to live stream it. Or teach it. Okay.
Jameson had I was like, that was 5 years ago. I don't remember that.
Hey guys and girls, we're live. I forgot to tell you we're live and on the very small camera. I'll speak up like this loudly. It echoes a little bit in here because of our new ceiling. But we would very much like to welcome Thompsonville to the junior high in West Rankin today. Thompsonville, would you like to introduce yourself, your team, your sponsor, and captain, please?
Sure. Hello, my name is Noreen Henson. To my left, I have Lee Ryan, and I have Floyd Roy. And to my right, I have Heather Smith and Jason Samples. And we are accompanied by the great Mrs. Arnett.
Thank you. Mr. Lawrence.
I'm Michael Lawrence. To my right, we have Justin Holland, Finley Wilmore. And to our left, we have Caitlin Cruz and Sophie Rizzo. And our sponsor is 5-9 Powerhouse, Bad Bus Driving Instructions.
Thanks very much. Now let's go to monitor check. Quincy's learning, maybe Quincy's learning the new machine is not clear, so you get practice 10 times. Mr. Holland, can you start? Good start. Thanks. Give it a reset. Great start. Oh.
This is going amazing so far.
I thought so. Did we turn off?
Oh, so that wasn't on. I said that's enough. I said Jesus. But I can't. What's your take?
Sorry, one more time. I heard it beep.
Where are the buttons? Stop.
Nice. Yeah, hello.
You just went 2-1.
All right. So hands on your others. We had to start off with math. You're welcome. So math also goes 10 seconds if you need it. Wait for me to call on you if you buzzed in, it goes to that, and then you're kind of some that goes in first. So divide 3,150.
315.
That's incorrect. Wait, that's actually right. That's right. Bonus number 1 is yours, Thompsonville. We love these also. Give the Arabic numerals for the following Roman numerals. For A, MCMXC. For B, CL. For C, XXXVII. For D, MXB. You have 30 seconds. That's fine.
For A, we have no answer. For B, we have 150. For C, we have 37. And for D, we have an answer.
B and C are correct for 10 points. West Point, we have A and D.
Right, we have I, B, X, C, I, and D, we have I, B.
But we're looking for the everything rules, so we need the actual numbers. So 1990 was A, and 1015 in as 1,000 is X. B, 15. Next also, how many signs are in the astrological zodiac? Yes. Well, that is correct, yes. Bonus number 2 is geography question. Give 4 of the 5 states that border the Gulf of Mexico. Go 30 seconds. And that's not, what's right for your answer?
For A, we have Florida. For B, we have Texas. For C, we have Louisiana. And for D, we have Alabama.
Those are all correct, but you also take Mississippi. Think about that. 25 to 15, what's right? Next concept, hands on your others. Which animal requires the greatest parental care for the longest time? Yes, what's right? Humans is correct. Bonus number 3 is West Rangers also. Prince William is the third in line to the British crown. Answer the following questions regarding his family. For A, name his wife. For B, give the names of his 3 children. You have 30 seconds.
We have our answers.
Okay, this is how Just boys.
For A, we have Diana. For B, we have Henry. For C, we have George. And for D, we have
What was the last one?
Louis.
I'll take George and Louis for 10 points. Tito, you have A, and then one more child.
For A, we have Catherine. And for the last child, we have no answer.
Kate or Catherine Middleton will take it. Did you have to guess for another child?
No.
So we're looking for Charlotte. $42.20 West Frankfurt. Next concept. What state was Abraham Lincoln's birthplace? You know,
Kentucky.
that's correct. Sorry. $25 to 40. Your bonus is literature, Thompsonville. Identify the authors of the following books. A, The Grapes of Wrath. B, Oliver Twist. C, Huckleberry Finn. D, The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. You have 30 seconds. And that's time. I'll take your answers now.
For A, we have no answer. For B, we have no answer. For C, we have Mark Twain, and for D, Lewis.
D and C are correct, 10 points. For a total of 35. West Frankfurt, do you have A and B?
For A, we have Shakespeare, and for B, we have Mark Twain.
Good guess. We love Shakespeare and Twain, but Charles Dickens wrote Oliver Twist and Christmas Carol. And John Steinbeck wrote The Great Rat. 35 to 40 in favor of West Frankfurt. Next toss-up. It's a math toss-up, and you'll need 10 seconds this time. Complete this math problem. 8 times 6, the quantity 8 times 6 plus the quantity, or parentheses, 7 times 9, close parentheses, equals. Yes, what's right?
111.
111 is correct. Your bonus West Frankfurt is science. Name the 4 pieces of information that's given about every element on the periodic table for A, B, C, and D. You have 30 seconds. That's time. Ms. Lawrence, I'll take your answers.
For A, we have atomic number. For B, we have symbol. For C, we have protons, and for B, we have neutrons.
Can you be more specific on B? Okay, I can give you a atomic number for 5 points. Thompsonville, do you have 3 other guesses?
For A, we have abbreviation. For B, we have state of matter, and then we have no more answers.
Good guesses. The most simple thing I think we overthought this, it's just the name of the number. The chemical symbol is the one that we were looking for. The atomic weight or mass. We overthought that. Think about all those periodic tables you looked at. Next concept, hands on your buzzer. In the diary band frame, in which country did the Franks hide from the Nazis for, what's that?
Germany.
That's correct. For over 2 years? It's a free guess. Good job. Who is it? Yes.
America.
Also a good guess. But Holland and the Netherlands is where they were hiding. Next toss-up. What is the set of x values of a function called? What's right for? Good guess, but not right. Thompsonville for a guess. 3, 2, 1. It's called the domain. Domain range x and y. Weird definitions for that. What language do most people in Switzerland and Austria speak?
German.
German is correct. Score is 40 for Thompsonville and 50 for West Frankfurt right now. Bonus number 6 is Thompsonville and its math. For A, the sum of all the angles of the polygons with 4 sides, or all polygons with 4 sides. For B, the sum of all the angles of a polygon with 6 sides. C, the measure of the third angle of a triangle if the other 2 angles are 60 degrees each. And D, the sum of all angles of a triangle. You have 30 seconds.
Could you repeat C?
Not for use of that is a great try. Always try. But they like exercises. this time. Mel, take your answers.
For A, B, and C, we have no answer. And for D, we have 135.
Those are all good guesses, but incorrect. Mr. Lawrence.
For A, we have 180. For B, we have 240. For C, we have 120. And for D, we have 360.
We're both some math, that's the thing. But I mean, we're all in the same boat. I mean, COVID kills math scores, but triangles have 180-degree angles. So 60 plus 60 plus 60 was C. So we're looking for 60 with C. There's a 6 polygon inside is 720. And 4 angles, it doesn't look ever like a circle. But here is 360. Hey, next time, that might come up in a 7th grade match sometimes, so hopefully I have 3 7th graders and just listen. Next toss-up, hands on your butt, we'll shake that one off. During which war did Francis Scott Key write the Star Spangled? Yes. Is it correct? Star Spangled Banner? Yes. Yes. Sorry, Claire? World War II. Just a great guess. We're looking for the War of 1812. Next toss-up. What is the use of scientific knowledge to improve the quality of life? Yes. Good guess. All right. Tito? It's called technology. It's good when it's working.
You use it every day.
There you go. Hey, another percent and angle question here. The math question. You have 10 seconds. What is 20% of 180? Yes.
20.
That's incorrect. No, that's not. It's too late, but what did you get?
40.
I mean, you're close, but if it's 180, what's 10% of 180? 18, so, and then 18 times 2 is 36. So that's the equation or way. Next toss-up. What type of government has a king or a queen? Sorry?
A monarch.
Monarchy is correct. $45 to $50 in favor of Les Regular, but it's Thompson Bill's bonus. Bonus number 7, spell the following words. A, oscillate. B, ostentatious. C, pestilence. D, pterodactyl. You got 30 seconds.
Can you repeat?
D or B?
B.
B, ostentatious. And that is time. Mel, take your answer.
For A, we have OCOLATE. For B, we have AUSTINTIOUS. For C, we have no answer. And for D, we have PTYEROGACTYL.
Those are all correct. Mr. Lawrence.
For A, we have OSOLATE. For B, we have AUSTINTEACIOUS. For C, we have PESTILENCE. And for D, we have PTERODACTYL.
B and C are correct for 4 points. For a total of 60. Oscillate. OSCILLATE. And ostentatious. 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 correctly answered also gets the last bonus of the first half. It's a math bonus. I'm so excited. A pickup truck can be purchased for $7,547. The sales tax is $313.20. What is the final cost? If it's a what's right?
$7,860.20.
That is correct. Your last bonus is 8 before the half was right, but it's a science bonus. Supply the proper word for these steps of the scientific method according to the following definitions. A, an idea or guess about why something happens. B, when we notice something which makes us curious and causes us to question why. C, a test we design to prove or disprove our ideas. And D, an idea that has been tested over and over and it is supported by all evidence that can be gathered. 30 seconds.
We have our answers.
Okay, I'll take it because it's down to you.
For A, we have hypothesis. For B, we have observation. For C, we have experiment. And for D, we have theory.
Please take discussion of goods of those are all correct. And that is halftime. Thank you, congratulations. And nice job on the record. You're a swan. Hey, look, can you pass these out?
I know they more people it's the middle. Oh, give me that water.
I don't know what to say.
But I think it's like habit right now. Yeah, no, it's right. See? I thought it's not what I want. You guys said one week ago.
Yeah, the pressure names up to that way we know.
Maybe I should write
All right, we're ready to start the second half. We're gonna score right now 85-45 in favor of West. We got a couple of subs in, Bill. Bill, would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Again? Okay.
Just your one sub.
Okay, our one sub is Abby Castillo.
Thank you very much. Ms. J, would you like to introduce yourself and your sub, please?
Yep. I'm JC Larkin. To my right, I have Anna Lemscheid and Gage Dalton. To my left, I have Madison Google and Carter Montello.
Thank you very much. Okay, so hands on your buzzers. The first toss up. Who would do a quick buzzer check just to make sure both goes the way it's going, even when we start with move the round. Hey, Mark, we did that. Okay. Hey, can you say Thompson? Yeah. Okay, so hands on your buzzers. First toss up. Who is the author of the Odyssey? And that's not looking for homework. Nonsense. Next toss up. Who is the Greek king of the gods?
Zeus.
Oh, wait, oh.
Yeah.
Zeus.
Zeus is
Yeah, I think, I got it.
We're green and red.
On that, but the buzzers are actually.
Ours is green,
But they're plugged into the wrong side.
Gotcha.
confusing.
Hey, your bonus is bonus number 9, comes to those about history. Name the 4 slave states that remained in the Union throughout the entire Civil War. You have 30 seconds. Hey guys, I'm not on camera, you can't be loud. Hey girls, sorry. What's up? Hey, time's up, it's down. Hey, I will take state your answers.
For A, we have Texas. For B, we have Mississippi. For C, we have Louisiana. And for D, we have North Carolina.
Those are incorrect. Okay, you guys know?
For A, we have Illinois. For B, we have Alabama. For C, we have Louisiana. And D, Texas?
They already said Texas, but that wasn't right. But it's my fault more than yours because I failed you as a history teacher. So states that had slaves, but still with the North, not the South. So Maryland, Kentucky, Delaware, Missouri were better guesses next time you have that question come up. It's okay, my fault, not yours. Next toss-up. 50 to 85 right now. What is the name of the plant from which opium is derived?
Opie.
Good guess, but incorrect. What's right for 3 seconds? No, that's time. I'm glad you don't know, but it's the poppy. No, Wizard of Oz, the poppy. Yeah. That's why. Next toss-up. What was the food of the Greek gods?
Ambrosia.
Ambrosia's correct. Your bonus is bonus number 10. It is government. It says for A, B, C, and D, what are the 4 positions in order of succession in the event of the death of a president? 30 seconds. And that's done. There you go, I'll take your answers.
For A, we have vice president. For B, we have secretary. For B, we have treasurer. And for D, we have no answer.
Okay, I can give you vice president for 5 points. After vice president, I need the order, James.
For B, we have head of House of Representations, and for C, we have
Good guess. The head of the House of Representatives has a specific name, is the Speaker of the House. Then it goes to the President pro tem of the Senate, and then the Secretary of State. So you getting good, but I got 60 for Tville and 85 for West Point. Next toss-up is a math toss-up. Hands on your buzzer. Generally, it's the non-writing hand would be best. And your buzzer this time. Add these 2 quantities. 615 plus 277. No,
892.
892 is correct. Your bonus number 11 is yours, Tville. It's English. Name 4 of the 5 interrogative pronouns in 30 seconds. You guys begin.
You have our answers?
Okay, that's the download record. I'll take them.
For A, we have who. For B, we have what. For C, we have where. For D, we have why.
I'll take who and what for 10 points for 75. Let's break. You have other interrogative pronouns?
For A, we have she. For B, we have he. For C, we have it.
I know what they do. So interrogative, like it's got a question. Where is the adverb and the pronoun? But who, or which, or whose, is the ones that we're looking at. So 75 to 85. High match. Next toss up. What metal is the best conductor of electricity?
Steel.
That's incorrect.
Let's write it for.
Silver is correct. Her name is.
Happy breakfast. Happy breakfast.
You're welcome. I've been waiting all of this to say that. Science is bonus number 12. High match. List 4 types of sedimentary rock. No. They pass. I'll take anything you got.
Limestone. Rock. Copper. Gold.
Great guesses under pressure. Limestone's correct for 5 points. We're looking for shale, sandstone, conglomerate, and limestone. Nice job guessing under pressure. What breed of goat is famous for its long hair?
Let's write it for
Billy Goat.
Good guess. But,
helps with the water.
so, you might be right, but we're looking for the Angora. I don't know where Angora, but maybe.
I was gonna say a shaggy goat.
Shaggy goat. There you go. Next toss up. What is the non-living fluid part of the blood called? Yes. Plasma is correct. Oh, yes.
I'm proud of you.
85 for Knoxville, 90 for West Frankfurt, down to the last couple of toss-ups. It's a math bonus. Bonus number 13 is constant. What is the square root of the following numbers? For A, 144. For B, 169. For C, 256. For D, 289. You have 30 seconds.
Your answers.
Okay, send this down. West Frankfurt, I'll take them. No?
For A, we have 12. For B, we have 13. For C, we have 16. And for D, we have 17.
Goes wrong, right? What's that? Your math teacher. Okay.
Hey, don't thank her. I guess I'm the last two.
Okay.
Sorry.
Thank her.
Yes.
Hey, let's go up. Hey, go ahead, you get the margarita, please. Nice job. This one. The score right now is 105 to 90 with 2 bonuses left. Bonus number 14 goes to whoever gets this next toss-up. What is the nautical term for the right side of a vessel facing forward?
Starboard.
Starboard is correct. Your bonus is literature, Spranger. It's bonus 14. Name 4 common story elements for A, B, C, and D. That's time. Can't take your answers.
For A, we have nonfiction. For B, we have fiction. For C, we have fantasy. For D, we have myths.
Those are correct. Ms. Bell, you have A, B.
For A, we have setting. For B, we have character. For C, we have protagonist. And for D, we have antagonist.
Setting and characters are correct for 10 points for 150. We're looking for plot, tone, point of view, theme, or mood. So the common story elements you have, the genres maybe, but not the story elements. Not a bad guess though. All right, the next correctly answered toss-up is the last bonus on the match. Give the name for the group that felt the South should be punished for the Civil War.
Northern Union.
Yes,
Checker one, the Republicans.
can you be more specific?
Conservative Republicans.
Good guess, but they are radical Republicans. There's a little altitude to that next year, like they toss everybody to the right under you.
You're not doing a very good job.
It's fine. That is radical Republican. Fine. Next toss-up. Not bad. What is the unit used in science for measuring temperature?
Degrees.
Can you be more specific?
Fahrenheit degrees.
Checker two.
Okay.
Can you be more specific? Looking for degrees Celsius. It's science section. You got the degrees, you got the Celsius. We're all right for the technical version.
We're right on.
Next toss-up. Name one of the two women to run for Vice President of the United States.
Checker one, Kamala Harris.
I'll take it. We're also looking for Geraldine Ferraro or Sarah Kane. That would work. Your bonus is math. Give the prime factorization of the following numbers. For A, 16. For B, 250. For C, 12. For D, 128. You have 30 seconds. That's time, Jenny. Thank you, answers.
We have no answers.
Ms. Mel?
For A, we have 8. For B, we have 125. For C, we have 12. And for D, we have 14.
All close. I mean, they're numbers.
Number.
But we're looking for prime factorization, so 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 60, or 2 to the 4,000. For B, we're looking for 5 cubed times 2, or 2 times 5 cubed. For C, we're looking for 2 squared times 3, and then 128, 2 to the 7th power would be 128. That's the match. Nice job, Thompson. Final score was 115 to 100.
Was it our favorite?
In your favor. I didn't emphasize that part very well.
Yeah.
This one, you got one part. Hey, Mo, and Rala, and Mo is there. Oh, well, make no one in my last start.
Who's starting?
You're there. Congratulations.
Yeah.
Are you passing these out for me?
Where's your spelling?
All right, seventh graders. Hey, you just watch one of these things happen. You can pretend like this is not. Hey, back row guys. Oh, girls. So, don't be nervous. Take your time, do your best. The most nerve-wracking thing is having to introduce yourself and your team. So, I mean, get that out of the way, everything's gonna go. So, Thompson, would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Hello, my name is Micah Sanders. To my right, I have Abby Castile and Gavin Eagles, and to my left, I have Wayne Williams and Willie.
Thank you very much. Hey, Mr. Lowe.
Hello, my name is Hunter, Hunter Lowe. To my right, I have Lucas Smoke and Amelia Nolan. To my left, I have Ashley Rala and Keith Bates. And our sponsor is the 5'9" Powerhouse, Bad Bus Driving, Mr. Hopkins.
Thank you very much. And our subs.
And our subs are Olivia Doris, Emma Cornelia, Sam, how do you say your last name? However you say his last name, and Jason Holland.
Thank you very much. Well done. Okay, so let's do a buzzer check just so you get used to it. I tell my guys that buzzing one time is not great. If you buzz like one time, if you get in, you get in. Hey, let's go with it. Sorry. Who we start with? Good. Dylan.
Ashley. Sorry.
Okay. Ready on, please. All right. Thank you very much. Hands on your buzzers. Even better. Our first toss-up goes like this. Name one freshwater fish that lives in the ocean and returns to its place of origin to mate.
The whale.
Let's break this three. Perfect. Not that correct. Eagle. Still only one guess. They always try to cheat the other teams. I don't know. I don't teach cheating, but I don't try my fault. Any free guess? We're looking for the herring, the freshwater eel, or salmon. I can swim on through. Next toss up. What wall in Jerusalem is sacred to those of the Jewish faith?
The Jericho Wall.
Good guess, but incorrect. Free guess? It is related to the Wailing Wall, also called the Western Wall. Next toss up. You might get this one. What was the original name for Veterans Day?
Arbitrary Day.
Good guess, but correct. We call it armistice day, the ceasefire at the end of World War I. We'll get one of these. You buzz in. From which language are the prefixes used in the metric system, such as deca, hecto, kilo, taken from?
Oh, okay.
Always be confident in your answers. Bonus number 1 is yours. It is business. Give the term used to describe each of these business situations. For A, when one business controls a service or product without competition. For B, a written argument that specifies working conditions and wages. C, organization of workers formed to get higher pay and better working conditions. And D, when workers refuse to work. You have 30 seconds.
We have our answers.
Okay, I'll take this down.
For A, ownership. B, contract. C, union. D, strike.
Contract, union, and strike, B, C, and D are correct for 5 points. I mean, 15 points. Thompsonville, like any other,
We have no answers. They said-
like I said, a board game, you probably got it right. It's called Monopoly. Total control of one service and it is. Next also, what mountain range is commonly used to divide between Europe and
Strike for 3.
The girls.
Europe? Correct. Bonus 2 is grammar. Give the correct part of the speech which performs each of the following tasks. A, modifies a verb. B, acts as a connector. C, takes the place of a noun. Or D, shows strong feeling.
We have our answers.
I'll take them. Put them down on the board.
For A, adverb. For B, conjunction. For C, pronoun. For D, interjection.
Can you repeat B, please?
Conjunction. Conjunction.
She says, yeah, I would probably say no. Never correct yourself if you say it wrong, especially spelling, but yes, we'll take all those.
That was
45 points for West Point. Next toss up. Who is the author of the book, The Call of the Wild?
Steinbeck.
Great guess. Not right. 3 guesses on the book.
we have no answers.
And it was a guess. It was John Steinbeck. My favorite guesses are,
Mo said Steinbeck.
It wasn't
I'm sorry,
Steinbeck.
Jack London.
Oh.
But our favorite guesses are Steinbeck and Mark Twain and Shakespeare. So when in doubt, guess and all. Next time. Hey, it's a math toss-up. We'll get this one. I think. Add these two mixed numerals. 7 and 4/5 plus 9 and 1/5 equals. Yes?
17.
17 is correct, right? That's why we're in the non-writing hand or the math bonus. Okay. Music is your bonus. There are 4 instrumental family classifications. Give the correct classifications for the following instruments. A, saxophone. B, piano. C, cello. D, trombone. You have 30 seconds. B, D, trombone. That's time for Ms. Molly, you're in.
For A, brass. For D, no answer. For C, brass, and for D, brass.
Brass is a popular instrument, and correct for D. Do you have A, B, and C, Tito?
A, we have jazz. And we have no other.
Gotcha. We kind of guessed brass for all of them, but the other option would have been woodwind, which is saxophone. Piano, which they actually have as percussion here, not on strings, and the cello, which is a string instrument.
I can't tell what
Next toss-up. According to legend, what was the name of the remarkable beast which belonged to Paul Bunyan?
Babe the Blue Ox.
Very good. No, call me Babe. I say the same thing every day. Let's talk about this, guys. Matt, give the answer to the following conversions. A, how many pounds is in a ton? B, how many cubic feet is in a cubic yard? C, how many yards in a mile? And D, how many pints in a gallon? 30 seconds.
Can you repeat C?
Yards in a mile. That's time. Let's start. Don't take your answers or guesses.
For A, we have 2,000 pounds. For B, we have 3. For C, we have 2,850. And for D, we have 3.
A is correct, 2,000. I like that you put pounds on there, but it doesn't have to have labels according to this question. Tito, do you have B, C, and D?
For B, we have 12. We have
Good guess. For a cubic feet in a yard, it's like 3 cubed. So 3 times 3 times 3 is going to be 27. Yards in a mile, we have to divide a mile by the yards, we get 1,760. At least we're on the right track here. And pints in a gallon is 8. That last one is true. Next toss-up. What is a rhombus containing 4 right angles called?
water.
Good guess, but it's wrong.
Can you repeat the question?
Just guess. Shape though. Yes.
Triangle.
Close. It was a square. If you don't guess, always a big word though. You just outsmarted that question.
Yeah.
What was the most famous invention by Eli Whitney?
The cotton gin.
Not Joe's correct. Your bonus is 5 in science. Give the astronomical sign of the zodiac associated with each of the following symbols. A, the scales. B, the bull. C, the twins. D, the water bearer. 30 seconds.
Can you repeat B and D?
B, the bull. D,